The 68 bug underneath. We're putting links on. We just did a sump. What else did we do? Put the bushings over there. We did the sump, gasket, new nut there. Axle seals. So we're pretty much all set up with this. Ready to rock this thing. The floor on this one is extremely nice. We didn't clean it or anything. This is just the way it is. I'm going over the edge, then I'll go back across the middle for you. So oil leaks will be gone. Heater tubing's there, all that good stuff. The front has new tires, newer brakes. It's a very solid pan though. It's in nice shape, this car. And it does start and run like crazy how good it is. So